What's up guys, and welcome to a new video. Let's talk about the 8 biggest grooming mistakes the majority of men are making. Those grooming mistakes are simply preventing yourself from looking your best on a daily basis. But after watching today's video, you will exactly know what grooming mistakes you should avoid so you can always look your best. But before we're going to start directly with the video, just take a quick second guys and smash a like and subscribe button down below and join our family of men who are striving to become their best version possible. My mission is to help you with each and every of those videos to become every single day at least 1% better than yesterday. So make sure to smash a like and subscribe button down below and also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my new videos. Alright, before I talk too much, let's hop into the video. Grooming mistake number 1 is simply using a lot of different products and especially cheap and chemical products at the same time. Honestly, you don't need a lot of products so that your skin can look its best. My personal recommendation is to simply stick to only 1 or 2 high quality natural products, like for example a high quality facial oil and an eye cream. Honestly, you don't need more so that your skin can look its best. The more products you use at the same time, the more sensitive your skin can become. So keep it minimal and only stick to the basics. Let's continue with number 2, not taking care of your eyebrows. As your eyes are the first spot where people will look at, your eyebrows are also very important. So always make sure that you clean your eyebrows at least 1 or 2 times per month with a simple tweezer. Let's continue with number 3, not trimming your hair down below. On the one side, if you don't trim the hair of your package, it will actually make it look smaller, and on the other side, it is not really hygienic. So please do yourself a favor and also take care of your package and trim it now and then. Let's continue with number 4, having nasty nails. Having nasty nails is a big no-go and will directly downgrade your attractiveness. So always make sure that you check your nails on a daily basis and also take care of them. Let's continue with number 5, make sure that you never smell bad. Smelling bad is one of the worst things that will directly make you less attractive. So make sure that you shower on a regular basis, use a high quality, long lasting deodorant and a good fragrance as well. Let's continue with number 6, always make sure that you trim your beard. My recommendation is always, if you can grow a beard, rock a stubble look, and if you can't grow a beard, shave it completely off. Don't rock a patchy beard because in the end it will just make you look unhygienic and less attractive. Number 7, not cleaning your tongue. You need to clean your tongue on a daily basis because otherwise it will lead to a bad breath. And honestly, nothing is worse than having a bad breath. So always make sure that you clean your tongue and also floss your teeth because it will also lead to a bad breath if you don't floss your teeth on a daily basis. And last but not least, number 8, washing your hair and your face too often. On the one side, if you wash your hair too often, let's say on a daily basis, it will make it dry and can also lead to hair loss. And on the other side, if you wash your face too often, it will also make it dry and it will lead to a sensitive skin. And if you have a sensitive skin, you will struggle more with impurities and pimples on your face. So my personal recommendation is only wash your face twice per day and wash your hair like 2 to 3 times per week. And yeah, that's basically it for today's video. Hopefully you found some value in this video. Make sure to smash a like and subscribe button down below and also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my new videos. Thank you so much for watching guys. See you in the next video.